Toilet seats are attached to the toilet by 2 bolts, which slide through holes in the toilet and are fastened by nuts underneath. To remove the old seat, simply unscrew the nuts on the underside of the toilet and remove the seat, using pliers or a wrench if necessary to loosen the bolts initially. The new seat comes with a bag of fittings. Firstly, screw the 2 bolts into the holes in the seat and tighten them by hand. Then put the plastic washers in place over the bolts. Now we're ready to fit the new seat. This can be a little awkward as you have to hold the 2 washers in place and support the seat with only 2 hands to do the job. Once the bolts are inserted through the toilet, make sure that the washers are settled into place and align the seat to the toilet. Working from the underside, fit the nylon nuts and tighten them by hand. When replacing an old toilet seat with a new one, bear in mind that toilet seats come in 2 basic shapes. Some are more rounded and some are longer. So take the old seat into the store with you to ensure that you get the right shape. That's it. The seat that we've installed has a dampening mechanism to prevent it from banging down and causing damage when closed, and costs about $35.